Refraction. This is about refraction, and here it says how a light ray passes and is passing from an air into glass and bends towards the normal. And you can see so in this diagram here and how that reflects, how it comes in, and there's a different alternate sort of route. And then there's this area here. And it talks about refraction. It says refraction is the change in direction of light as it leaves one medium and enters a different medium. Anytime light is incident on a transparent material, you will observe both reflection and refraction. You are well aware of this at night if you view out the doors of a window. You do not only see the bushes outside, but you also see a reflection of yourself and the things in the room. The reflection of the room's content and yourself from virtual images that appear on the other side of the window where the bushes are really located. It's kind of weird to see the lamp sitting in your front yard, isn't it? And when you start to look at that and you start to think, what exactly does that mean? I can show you with a great illustration. Liquid and concave shape also have something to do with refraction, and you can see that. You can see outside how the object is upright, and as you put it through liquid, as it goes through liquid, it is upside down. And then you can see the concave sort of refraction in different types of lighting as it passes through here. You see it in a different area. As you see the LED on the other side, it behaves differently. And as you can see it behaving differently, you can see that refraction and reflection and how it causes different effects. Isn't that neat? Check that out. And you can also see my yellow. If you can see me, you can see the yellow on the right hand side now in the hat. And you can see me just a little bit there. So as the light passes, it passes and it takes different avenues and it creates different effects and has different terms. Another interesting factor is there's a blind spot within this. If you watch my finger, it will virtually disappear as it passes through one place to another. And that's the concave shape. There is a part there where you cannot actually see it until it reaches a certain point, and that's the concave and sort of reflection, causing a illusion to make something appear invisible or not there. So interesting. And then as it bends, the concave shape, it all depends. This is a lot better illustrated on a 20-ounce bottle or a 2-liter bottle. The concave shape that's at the bottom of the bottle, it has those little dents and those little nipples in the bottom of it. As you move your finger around there, you can find that there are blind spots. There are spots that your finger will disappear. So as you see, as it passes through on this chart, you can see the different sort of illustration in this area here. Interesting. Very, very interesting. I just kind of wanted to add that because there are a lot of illusions and different things that in physics, like I said as before, as the guy who made the Statue of Liberty disappear right before everyone's eyes. And there's also other things you can do with this in physics. But, everything is not always as it appears to the eye. And although, you might think it is something else, it's science and physics. It's very legit. It's you can use logic, and observation and logic to make your determination. It should mean something to us all in physics in everyday life. This is Brent Wade Houchins, Mr. Brent Wade Houchins.